Radhe Radhe. Every individual in the world performs action with a purpose, or there is purpose behind every actions. We see small to big organizations all over the world working on their goal. Scriptures say we all have a single purpose, but billions of people working on a single goal? How is it possible? We see people performing actions and often opposite to one another. Like one work to build and next to destroy it. One works to protect and next to steal. Even we ourselves throughout the day, sometimes we cry, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we earn, sometimes we spend. So we doubt of a single purpose behind all the actions. For this, I would love to present a conversation of me with a girl in my neighbor. She's a very studious girl. Once I asked her, "What do you want?" She said, "I want to get good grades in the exams I appeared in." I asked, "Why do you want good grades?" She said, "Because I want to get admission in a medical college." "Why do you want admission in medical college?" She said, "Because I want to be a doctor." "Why do you want to be a doctor?" "Because I want to earn nice amount of money." "Why do you want money?" "Because I want to build a beautiful house, furnish it well, get a branded car for myself." I asked, "Why do you want all that?" She said, "Because I want to be happy." I asked again, "Why do you want to be happy?" She started floundering for some time and she was mute. She had no answer. It's not just her story, it's the story of all of us. Exactly the same. We all have been performing the actions, varieties of actions, because we believe through that I'll be happy. Like we earn money, we want fame, we want name. Aristotle said, we want happiness for itself and never with the view of anything further. Whereas we choose honor, pleasure, intellect because we believe through that we shall be made happy. We want happiness from everybody around us. Mama, give me happiness. Baba, give me happiness. Boyfriend, give me happiness. Neighbor, give me happiness. We want happiness from everyone. And not just we human beings. All the creatures in the world want happiness. If one beats a dog, it makes a noise, begging not to beat. It goes some meters far, turns back and barks at the person. You gave me pain. I don't want it. I want happiness. That's why Bhagavatam says, Sukhaya karmani karoti loko natai sukham duparimamba. All the creatures in the world performs action with the sole purpose of happiness. But in spite of our tireless effort, we get miseries and pain. Why? I shall explain it later.